All right, getting into some sectors. We're going to start with the financials here. Mentioned it last week or the week prior, but price is still here at the previous all-time high. If we take it to the all-time chart, you can see the highs back here in 2007. Price flirting with that for the last 3 months, higher highs, higher closing highs as well, it would appear. But for now, it is what it is, and price is continuing to consolidate around that high. So certainly a bullish tonality to it. You can see all of this volume building up out here. Really starting to create a very nice structure if it starts to hold this volume profile. Certainly looking for a lot more out of this this sector. We'll project some forward numbers later. What I wanted to point out was if you put a retracement from this previous swing low up here into the high before it made this new one 2 weeks ago, or 2 days ago, you see when price came back down, here's the 61.8, they gapped it under the 61.8 and trapped all of these people. So I'm not the only person that uses this level of measure. So they trap all of these people, and then they gap it back up and out. Just add insult to injury, and then push it into new all-time highs. But anyway, if we move this retracement level up to the current all-time high, we see the levels that we really want to start holding, or need to hold for that matter. Let me go ahead and put the 38.2 on here real quick. There you go. All right, so now the lines are kind of more defined. We can see this 23.6 at 30.82 has certainly held price up and down quite a bit, and as of Friday, it was continuing to support price. Pretty big level there at 30.82. It is the point of control and range on the shorter term daily chart. It's probably the point of control and range for a lot, actually. Let's see. Yeah, so it's point of control for going all the way back into September of 2019. So pretty dominant location that's trying to be formed. Certainly a major pivot in this area. So long as in the long term, XLF can hold this 38.2 at 30.50. Certainly a very, very powerful setup. It's not really a head and shoulders because of this candle right here, this earnings gap up. I think that was JPM maybe, moot point anyway. But anyway, so it kind of violates the neckline idea. But if we were to look at it as this being the left shoulder, we can say that the left side of this pattern took 25 days to break down into form the head. So we could say that it may take 25 more days to form the left side, and that projects out to like 11 March basically. So in all realistic possibility, we could see this sector just do this just for the next month or so. Certainly would be bullish in the long term. We see this set up a lot in a lot of the other sectors that are breaking out. I know the XLF or the XLY put in a head and shoulders, so the XLI. So certainly a powerful setup. We just kind of have to wait for it. For that reason, I'm kind of iffy on playing the financials right now. This could certainly break up and out. If we can, hold support over the previous all-time high at 30.97, I would certainly be more apt to start creating a long position within the financials in the short term. I think for now, we just kind of watch value continue to build out, start to see that value build out on the weekly as well. And then we start to see price move up and out. But certainly one to watch here in the next couple of weeks for a move higher, so long as this 30.70 to 31 area holds.